Morning, guys. We are at Annabelle's bus stop. Huh, Anna?
Yeah.
You ready for school? It's a little chilly this morning, huh?
My hands are cold.
Your hands are cold?
Yeah.
We're just waiting for the bus. We're like 16 minutes early, so we're just sitting here waiting.
I have a band-aid.
You have a band-aid. We should have waited another 10 minutes and stayed in the house. But you're just too excited, huh? She loves riding the bus. That's not your bus.
But the bus all the way over there.
So now we're just waiting for the other kids to get here to wait with us, but they're smart and show up like 5 minutes before the bus comes. Huh? Annabelle,
What?
are you gonna have a good day? Say bye.
Hey everybody, so I just got off work, pretty excited. I can't wait to get home. I gotta rush home and I gotta do a bunch of editing. I gotta edit yesterday's vlog and I gotta edit the other day. So I have to do yesterday's and I still have to do the day before, so I'll do it in order. But we're really working hard on getting caught up on our vlogs so that we can be up to date. Whoa. Almost got taken out by a Domino's driver. Alright, so I just got home. I get like every day this week has been really exciting because Anna's been going to school and I can't wait to hear what she's been up to. Look at that little guy. Lots of praying mantises around our house, and I'm actually super surprised that Sarah gets a box from Nature Box. I don't know if you can see that. She gets a box from Nature Box and she's super like cuckoo crazy for the pineapples. The big, whatever it is, Hawaiian pineapples, or Big Island pineapples. She's super crazy about them, and normally by the time I get home, she's already gotten the box out of the thing and she's already gotten into them. They don't last very long, so we'll see if she's excited to see them, because I can't believe that she wouldn't know they're already here. What are you doing? Hi, there's a baby. What you doing? Go give this to Mama.
So we're gonna erase this one. Thank you, just a second, buddy. And then you do the next one. Hi!
Are you excited
For Nature Box?
for your fix?
I don't know if there's pineapple in this.
She doesn't know if there's pineapples in there.
I don't know.
She's so crazy about these pineapples that I don't know if I should tell you this, but I actually bought her a food dehydrator and a pineapple, and she made her own. They weren't as good. They weren't nearly as good, but they were still very good. What? Well, I tried editing and it's not easy. I'm trying to figure out how to blur out my address number, my house number, and I have iMovie and I have Final Cut Pro, and both of them are very complicated.
And I'm making dinner.
Sarah's making dinner.
Come look.
No,
Why?
because I don't want to.
I don't have very much. The only thing I've watched is going.
And Emmy, little Miss Emmy, is doing great. What do you want to say? What are you drinking? No, I'm not drinking water. What are you drinking? Yeah, I'm drinking milk. Super quiet. And Annabelle is doing a puzzle.
It's taking a long time.
How you doing, sis?
Good. Oh, Dad, we should do that Doc McStuffins one again. Remember we have a Doc McStuffins one? Dad, remember we have a Doc McStuffins one?
Of course.
We should go get that and try it.
No. You're good with the puzzle you got. You're doing great, honey.
It's taking a long
Keep up with the good work.
time.
Emmy, what's wrong? Look at our messy table.
Put her in her high chair, please.
There's a soup and a bunch of puzzle, and there's my computer, also known as my office. Okay, come here.
Hi, Bubby. You can go take a nap?
Alright, everybody. Good night. Just kidding. Good night, everybody. Thanks for watching the vlog. It took me until about 10:30 at night to figure out how to blur out my address. So, it's good information to have, I guess, and now I'll know from today going forward. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and catch you next time. Thank you very much.